Good afternoon, everyone. Today, Mary with us, and Mary will explain what dishes she has prepared in the kitchen today and what cookery method we have used. There you go.
Good morning, everyone. I'm here at Winslow Kitchen. Today we prepared braised lamb chunk with grazing. This one is bread rolls. We bake it. This one is ground chicken breast. We fry it. And this one is turned carrots. We graze it. And this one is hold on. What is that?
Battered fish.
Battered fish fillet, and we fry it. And this one is avocado and orange salad.
Very good. How did you enjoy the session?
I learned so many cooking techniques for today's video. For today
Yes.
cooking sessions, and
I'm excited for many more.
and and I'm excited to learn more about cooking methods and techniques.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you.